Hey everyone, Andrew the video guy here at Garvey Kia with the perfect beast for this winter weather, the newly redesigned 2021 Kia Sorento. Now there's a ton of trims and options and just so many things and ways that this can be made yours that it can be a little overwhelming. So in this series, we are going to go over all those trims to make sure that we can find out which version is best for you. And today, we're going to start out with the Sorento LX and Sorento S. But first, look at how gorgeous this vehicle is. I'll shut up for a second. Let's take a look. Let's start with the Sorento LX and throw all-wheel drive onto it for obvious reasons. Already you're getting 191 horsepower delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission and seating for 7. Drop the back 2 rows and boom, 75 cubic feet of storage. And every Sorento comes standard with Kia DriveWise driver assist safety technology, with features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warnings. Step up to the Sorento S and you'll find in your hand a smart key with push-button start and, importantly this time of year, remote start so that you don't get into a car that's like 10 degrees inside. Another cold weather convenience that comes standard on the S, heated front seats. UVO link means you can start and control your car from your phone. Just add an optional panoramic sunroof and you've got a nice little palace for yourself. The LX and the S are great, but what if you want a little bit more? Well, next time we're going to talk about the EX and SX trims that you can find in the newly redesigned 2021 Kia Sorento. To try it out for yourself, give us a call, go online, or stop into Garvey Kia today.